Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm Nur Fatima. I will presentation my proposal result. The influence of English reading material in the development of students' character. Chapter 1. Background. Character building has long been one of the goals of national education. The 2003 Education Law Paragraph I states that one of the goals of national education is to develop the potential, intelligence, personality, and noble character of students. In this course, education is intended not only to form intelligence but also to develop personality or activities. Adolescence is a period of transition that everyone experiences between puberty and adulthood. In this part, they are trying to find out how they really are, so that in this study research will conduct research at Senior High School of Wantinambung, Class 11, about how the influence of reading material on the development of students' character. Next slide, formulation of problem. What is the influence of the development of English reading material in supporting students' character in education? To develop independent and cooperative follows to students by finding, expressing, and applying ID. 3. Formulate learning objective for reading competence in students' character. Next slide, research purpose. To instill the values or character of Class 11 Senior High School of Wantinambung. Second, to develop and integrate character in the reading learning process about English material. 3. To find out how the influence of English reading material on students in shaping students' character. Next slide, benefit of research. Benefit for research can improve problem-solving skill in the school, and benefit for teacher and students. Teacher can easily find out how the character in their students, and benefit for students came from intelligence and develop personality. Next slide, research significance. The results of this study are expected to provide information for all English language learners about the importance of understanding effective strategies to assist students in developing character in education. Next slide, chapter 2, Previous Related Studies. Journal by Siti Nuraini Mutar 2019. I teach character in my class, integrating character education in full reading classroom at Islam Higher Education. Journal by Lisa Pratama Hapsari 2013. Character Education follows in reading section of English textbook for senior high school students, grade 11. Journal by Abdul Karim Saidan 2012. Developing reading text for character building in senior high school. Next slide, theoretical framework. One definition of reading. Reading is a relation between our aids in the text of obtaining information in writing source. Furthermore, Rumenhart state that reading is an interaction that involves the reader, the text, and the interaction between the reader and the reader. Text 1, it can be said that between the reader and text is a significant relation that occurs in reading. As Colin Harrison and Terry Salinger said, reading is a complex activity and capable readers operator on a number of levels simultaneously. The reader must decode and interpret the meaning of the information they have read at the same time. Next slide, the purpose English reading material. The purpose of reading are varied. Depend on the reading goals the reader want to achieve. It can be considered that people read a lot of text to get actual information that can support them to become advanced and knowledge people. Next slide, developing assessment for students' character. Education is very important to develop student competence and instill character formulation develop. Next slide, from framework of thinking. Field phenomenon, providing ready material to students in English subject. Action, review how the influence of the reading material on the character development students. And final condition, there is an influence of the English reading material on the development of students' character. Hypothesis. The hypothesis of this study is that there are differences in learning outcome between students of class 11 is 1 control class and students of class 11 is 2 experimental class. Class 11 is 2 has suffered score after an experiment in the use of reading material on character development. The difference is not very significant. Next slide, chapter 3, research methodology. Research method, the type of research used is field research. Field research is research conducted in a place to be research or research, and the research by the research is quantitative research. B. Research design, quasi-experimental method. C. Research subject. In these studies, the research subject were students of class 11 senior high school of Wantinambun. This research was chosen by research because they are interested in knowing the effects of English reading material on the development of students' character. Data collection technique, observation and interview the population and sampling the population in the study were students of class 11 senior high school of Wantinambun with the total population of 70 students, and simple random sampling. Data analysis. This study, the data analysis used was descriptive quantitative data analysis. This method is used to describe each variable to make it easier to understand. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.